In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Coda. Let's dive right in and get your Coda workspace back to how you need it. To begin, we'll need to access Coda's website. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type in coda.io and hit enter. This will bring you directly to Coda's main page, where you'll start this process. As you arrive on the web page, you'll notice a few options, but for our purposes, you'll want to focus on the option that says Get Started. This should be prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on Get Started is your gateway into getting your Coda setup sorted. Once you've clicked Get Started, you may see several sign-in options. In this tutorial, we're going to use Google to log in. Therefore, go ahead and click on the Google button. It's important because Google Sign-In provides a seamless and secure way to access your Coda documents, especially if you're already integrated into Google's ecosystem with your email, calendar, and other services. After selecting Google, you'll be prompted to pick your Google account. You'll see a list of your signed-in Google accounts. Click on the one you use for Coda. This assures that all your associated documents and settings are correctly accessed. Once you are logged into your account and inside Coda, navigate your way over to the workspace. For stepping into the troubleshooting zone we're headed today, click on Deleted in the sidebar. This section is like your recycling bin in Coda. It's where all your previously deleted documents are kept. From here, you have the autonomy to bring any of these documents back to life. In the Deleted section, locate the document you want to restore. Once you've found it, notice the three dots, often referred to as the Options menu or More menu, usually aligned with the document's entry. Go ahead and click these three dots. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Undelete Doc option. This is a simple yet effective way to recover any work you might have accidentally trashed or now need again. Now with your document restored, it's useful to verify that it's safely back with your current documents. To do this, navigate back to the Recent section. This should give you a good overview of the latest documents, including the one you just restored. A quick check ensures everything is in the right place. And there you have it. You've successfully reset a workspace in Coda by retrieving and restoring a deleted document. With these steps, you can ensure no important work is lost for good. Thanks for tuning in, and happy codifying.